Can you explain one more time why someone who is a founder, an entrepreneur, would want to take this course or even be certified as a chief of staff if they're working on their own company? Why would they want to work for someone else at their company?
So, as we all know, we can't just solely rely on outside funding. A lot of times we need to bootstrap as founders, we have to fund our own ventures. And so, if you have to get a job anyways, so that you can start saving money for your own venture, your own company that you're building, your startup, then the chief of staff role is really a great profession to get into because you're learning business from the top down. You're working with the CEO shoulder to shoulder. You're providing strategic advice. You're their sounding board. So you're hearing everything going on. You're also working cross departmentally. So you think about you're a founder, you're an aspiring founder, an entrepreneur, aspiring entrepreneur, and one day you're going to be the CEO, you're going to be the boss, hopefully of a very large company. Having that chief of staff experience is going to let you see exactly what's happening in each department in a way that a lot of positions don't give you access to. And you're going to learn leadership skills because the chief of staff is a leader in an organization. They're making decisions, they're having an impact. And so there's just having that wide breadth of operational background, financial background, data, all of those things that you do learn in this course. So whether or not you become a chief of staff, whether or not chief of staff is your only destination, it's going to be beneficial for you, especially for entrepreneurs.
Yeah, I'm so excited to see people graduate from this. People are already like giving so much great feedback over the next few months and years. It's just going to be amazing to watch this. I know that with my company, hirerunner.co, we're using your certification as like a badge of honor. If someone is certified, then they're going to have that literal badge on the app or within Hire Runner. So I think I could see a lot of that happening over time as well. Anything else we need to know as we close out for anyone who's thinking about it, maybe who's on the fence as well?
Yeah, well, just in regards to what you mentioned about people with the Elevation Chief of Staff Training certification are going to have a special feature on Runner. That really is important to me and it really is meaningful for me because I want people to know that when they hire a chief of staff, especially one that's been trained by Elevation, they have that confidence that this is someone who knows what they're doing, who also has support. A lot of times the chief of staff role is siloed. You're working by yourself, you're not on anyone else's team per se. And it can get a little bit lonely, but we provide coaching to all of our students. It's unlimited coaching for a year after enrollment. So people who hire and bring on an Elevation Chief of Staff certified Chief of Staff, they're getting that confidence that the person knows what they're doing and has support behind